Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In case you're new here, my name is Maren
and I'm Maureen. So we are going to be talking about the twins behind Twinshangout Kenya, the channel. So we realized that we hit 1,000 subscribers milestone, and thank you guys, by the way, for supporting us. We really appreciate you guys. And we realized that a video of ours went viral. Maren, do you remember the video?
Yeah, we want to talk about our 1,000-mile journey, right?
Yeah.
So first of all, the twins behind the channel Twinshangout Kenya, that's Maureen and I.
Yeah.
For our fans, those who have been watching, you realize that one person is normally in front of the camera doing the interviews, and the other one is normally Maureen. That is, she's normally behind the camera filming the video. We are not fortunate enough to have a camera person yet, so we can't. That's the reason why we can't appear, both of us. But we are trying to do vlogs where we appear together. Most times we'll be appearing together.
So the reason why we decided to take up YouTube as a full-time job was because being twins, as you can see, sometimes it has its own
challenges, and the majority of the challenges we were facing was when it came to employment, the job industry. You find that, I don't know if it's the structure or people are just not, or we need to create more awareness when it comes to twins and separation. So like us, we don't like being separated. We've never been separated since birth. And that is why we decided to do the same career. We've done journalism and we were hoping to get employed in the same industry, but we didn't know this was going to be coming with its own challenges, right? So you find that sometimes we used to go for job interviews and we'd hope to get jobs together. One of two things would happen. You either get, if someone agrees to hire twins, the both of us together, you find that they'd only hire us on one person's salary, meaning they hire, it's as if on a book record, it's as if they're paying one person, but they've employed both of us, so they get to enjoy quality of our work, and we don't get to enjoy the salary of two people. So that was a really big challenge for us, which really pushed us into content creation, because there at least
we could work together and we could also spend time together doing what we both loved.
Another thing you people didn't know about Twinshangout is that we normally do photography. We actually have a page for this, twin photography 254. We normally like working together because we found out that we function well together, you understand? Because there's something, I feel like, when there's something Maureen sees that I don't see, and there's something that I'll see that Maureen doesn't see, and we get to cover things really well. Hence quality of work assured, you know. So our earlier videos, we've really talked about twin life, you know, our experiences, which are very much exciting. You guys should scroll down and watch our videos. So there's an episode we did about what people normally say to twins, insensitive things people normally say to twins, or if you'd like to say stupid things people like to say to twins. And we found out that we are not actually the only ones who've gone through these experiences. Other twins also normally talk about this. So to watch that video, kindly just scroll down, or we'll leave the link on the description box. So another reason why we are working together right now is because we're trying to build a brand where a brand that includes the name Twinshangout Kenya, right? So we intend for it to be seen as a big brand, you know, something that people will take seriously in future.
But for now, this is us. This is Twinshangout Kenya, and we're happy that you guys, we are growing and you're joining the family. You're supporting us, and keep supporting, man. That's the important thing.
Let us know what you guys would like to watch from us. Interact with us on the comment section. I'm very sure when you comment, we are going to reply. So let's talk about our 1,000-mile journey.
And so our journey on YouTube, we actually opened YouTube on 2016, but just became active or more serious with it in August 2023. So like about 3 months ago. August was
3 months ago.
So we became more active and serious on YouTube from August, and the videos we've posted have been doing really well, and they've gotten some very positive feedback, especially one that I can remember very well. We did of what Kenyans love about Somalis.
You know, people normally talk about viral videos. We hadn't had the opportunity or the chance to experience what this felt until this video started doing well.
Yeah. So when we posted this video, what Kenyans think about Somalis, the first day it got nearly 100 views. It got 100 views on the first day we posted it. The second day of us posting, from when we posted it, it got 2,500 views thereabout, and then it became dead in the water. And then a month later, after we posted this video, we realized it was on a weekend.
A lot of traffic on our channel in terms of likes, comments, you know.
And we decided to go check our YouTube studio, and it was this particular video that had gone viral that weekend.
So we realized we had a viral video. People were subscribing, people were liking, people were commenting, and by the end of that weekend we had gotten 17,000 views, and it didn't stop there. Now we are in our third month after that video was posted.
Was it third month?
Yeah, this is the third month. Third or second month.
Yeah, thereabout.
Let's say it's complete 2 months, and the video now is at 80,000.
80,000, you guys.
So we just want to thank those who came across our video. We want to thank you for watching, for commenting. You know, continue interacting with our videos. We appreciate that very much. It's a way of showing us support. And tell us what you like to watch on our channels. For those who landed here for the first time, we want to appreciate you and become part of the family. Subscribe, you know.
Yeah.